If you're making clip art with AI, you already know how to do the fun part. You can probably generate something beautiful in seconds or even minutes. But the part that nobody tells you is that when you download it, it's not ready to sell straight away the way that it is. First of all, it's too low a resolution. It needs to be 300 dpi, and if it saves something like image 957 blah blah blah, so it's too long and it's unprofessional, and you need to rename those files, and often you have to do that by hand, and it's really time consuming and boring. So we don't want to do tasks like that. And if you list it like that, it comes off as really unprofessional. You can get really bad reviews because the quality is not there. And it makes your shop just look amateur. So you really need to make sure that you're following these steps to make sure that you're selling your clip art at the best quality that you possibly can, so people can actually use it in their designs and love it. And then they'll rave, and then they'll be buying more things. So it's win-win, really. So in this video, I want to show you an app that will actually do this for you. It'll get everything ready for you, and it'll be ready in minutes, and that part is all handled. So you can have everything list ready really quickly, all renamed, everything. So I'm going to show you what sale ready actually means, and we're going to go through it together. So I'm just going to share my screen. Okay, so this is the tool that you want to use. It's called Clipart Prep Studio. So basically what it's going to do is walk you through the entire process. So if we go into the dashboard, which is the back end, you can see here this is what the account looks like. We then go into Studio, and this is where you would upload your images. So you can upload your whole batch of images, up to 100 files, and do all of them at one time. So what we're going to do is just select some images. Let's just select all of those that we can see. We're going to hit open. It's popping them in here. If you decide you don't want an image in there, you can just hit the X and get rid of it. You can add more from a different folder as well, or you could clear them all out. And then you select what you want it to do. So do you want it to remove the background? If so, you leave that one ticked. If you want it upscaled by 2, you would leave that the way it is. Otherwise, you could do by 3 as well. I will be adding up to 4 in the next update as well. And you can also have it trim the artwork. So what this means is, you know how when you put in some clip art into, say, Canva or Photoshop, and it has that extra space all the way around it, this is keeping it nice and close to the actual clip art, so you don't have to go in and trim that later on. And then you can rename all of the files here as well. So let's just say we want to call it Peonies Test. Let's say that. That's all we're going to do is just Peonies Test, and it will just be putting 01, 02, etc. at the end of that. So the next step that we need to do is just hit prep 10 images, and you're going to see it start to run over here, and it's going to start populating the results. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to go through it, because it is doing all of the different steps. So it is removing the background, it's upscaling it, and it's trimming it and renaming it. So you can see here it's still uploading the images. So it does show you what stage it's at, and then as it actually completes each one, they do populate here. So it is going to go through that process. But this saves so much time, and you can come back to it. So your images will stay here for up to 4 hours, and you can actually close this window and come back, and it will actually still have the images there. It won't lose them. But after 4 hours, everything is wiped just for privacy reasons and to keep the servers clear so that it's not storing unnecessary images. So you can see them all starting to populate. Then what you can do here is you can actually click on them. So you can see it's got a little magnifying glass. If we just click on it, you can see what a good job the upscaler has done. And if you're not sure with the grid behind it how it looks, you can change it to black and have a good look at it. And then if you decide you want to just download that one, you can just hit download one. So the option is here, once these are all in, there's an option to download all that appears at the top, or you can download just the ones that you want to by selecting them. So you could then go through and look at all of the other images just to make sure that they also turned out okay. And you can see it's remembered my preference from before of the black background. So you can see that the quality is really good of the actual background removal. And so that is it. That is it done. All you need to do is then hit download 10 selected. It's then preparing a zip file. And there you go, the zip file has downloaded. And then once you are finished here, you can either click on prepare another pack, which will then clear everything out, or you can delete all of your photos and that'll just delete them all straight away. So you can just hit done, delete, and that will just clear this. There you go. And back to the beginning again, ready to do another batch. And so the reason that this is so fast is because it's doing all of these processes that you would have manually been doing before, or you would have been chopping and changing between different tools before. Now, with the Clipart Prep Studio, it does have a few different plans available. So you can see everything here that it does. And then we have a starter plan, which is $29 per month. So I've made sure that this is 500 images that you can remove the backgrounds on. So let's just say we have 500 images and we do 15 in each pack. So you could make 33 packs of Clipart just on this $29 a month plan, which I think is pretty cool. So, and then if you are like making really large volumes, then you can go up to one of these other ones. So probably best that everyone starts on starter if this is something that you wanted to do. And you can upgrade later on if you needed to. But basically it's doing everything for you. So it's using the top AI background removers. It's upscaling it by 3 or up to 3. You can choose 2 or 3. It's doing the 300 dpi. So every time you download, it's 300 dpi. If you don't want to remove the background, like if you're doing patterns or texture or something, then you just unclick the background removal and just do the upscaling part. It'll still save it at 300 dpi when you download it. So it's perfect. It's auto trimming it and padding it for you. And it's bulk renaming it for you. So it's doing the whole lot, up to 100 files at a time. So definitely a time saver if you are making clip art, either for your own designs or to sell. Now I just want to show you the quality of the finished product. So you can see here, first of all, that the folder is called Peony's Test, which is what we decided to rename the files. So then inside that folder, they are all renamed with that name and then a number at the end. So if we were to double click onto each one, you'll see how good the quality is. And if you zoom right in, so it goes to 100%, then you can see how neat the edges are, and there's no bits of white left all the way around it. So it is pretty crisp with the actual images that it's doing. Now, you can pull up multiple different ones and have a good look, zoom right in. Can have a look at like these ones, even around those vines is quite good. There are a couple of tiny little bits of white, but any background remover is going to have that. Now, that is how you actually create clip art that's good quality. So that is the whole process. It's ready for you to sell when it's like this. So if you're not familiar with selling clip art, if you've never done that side before, you would then save this folder somewhere where you could get a link for it. So either Dropbox or Google Drive, etc. And you would share the view link so that your customers could download it. And they'd be very happy to get this product at this quality. So that is how it all works. So basically, this is the whole difference between clip art that just looks nice and clip art that actually is ready to sell. It's got the background removed, it's upscaled to 300 dpi, it's trimmed clean, and every file is properly renamed. Now, doing all of that by hand for a whole pack takes a long time, which is exactly why I built the Clipart Prep Studio, because it does all of it in that one click, and you can prepare the whole pack in minutes instead of an entire evening. So you can try it for free with your first few images. The link is in the description, and I'll also put it in the comments as well. And I genuinely love to know in the comments, if you're making clip art right now, would this product give you a helping hand? Like, would it help you with the whole process? Give it a like and subscribe and let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.